Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm creating something exciting today that I've received a lot of questions about, and particularly people that visited my website through Google search. I've received a lot of messages, a lot of emails telling me how did I integrate Stripe on my website to collect payments. So this video is all about walking you through how you can set up the Stripe payment gateway on your website. For the sake of this video, I'm going to be using a WordPress CMS, like a website that is built with WordPress. I'm not using a website that is built with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript and like. So if you want to use that, I I don't think it's a bit difficult. I don't think it's difficult. The only thing you need to do majorly is for you to work with a developer to do that. So if you are using WordPress, you come to settings. This is WooCommerce here. You can see that I'm here and I'm under settings. So I have different payment options on my website. WooCommerce has a payment gateway too, but I barely accept it. This is WooCommerce. See, credit card and debit card. This is Stripe payment processing, which is the one I'm doing now. This is Alipay. This is Klarna, and all sort of different ways you can collect payment. There's cash on delivery and the likes. So, but for the sake of this video, I'm doing a video. Let me move up and show you something. For me to set up Stripe, there is something we call webhook. So let me open it in a new tab. And this is the webhook guide. Just like a guide to walk you through how you can set up the payments. It's just like a guide. Basically, it's not something that is complicated. So it's not something that is complicated. So I'm just waiting for the pages to pop up. Just waiting for the pages to pop up. So can you see this? So this is what I do. For me to connect. So this is the webhook guide that I was talking about. This is like a blog post by Stripe on how you can install it. So can you set up Stripe card payment? First thing, navigate to the dashboard, WooCommerce settings. Let's go to settings and gateway. Go to settings, then go to payments. Scroll down to Stripe card payment. Click on setup. Is to click on credit card. Now click on credit card. So let me connect my Stripe first. But you need to connect to Stripe first. Account, you create a Stripe account and connect to it and connect your Stripe account to your website. But because I have a Stripe account, so I won't be going to create a new account. I'll just click on connect, which is my website here. It will connect it to Stripe. Once you connect your website to Stripe, then that's when you go to the next step. The first step is to connect your website to your Stripe account. If you don't have a Stripe account, you create a new one. Can you see you are connected? You are connected. You are connected to Stripe successfully. Let's enable gateway. After you've been able to connect it, then you need to enable gateway. Enable gateway means for you to connect payments. So that means you need. So this is it. Whoa, you are almost done. Since you have enabled Stripe card, we recommend you expert enable expert checkout features. So this is it. So this the expert checkout features is just for Google Pay and the like. So if you want to go through this route, that is this documentation, they have here, it is absolutely fine. It's very, very easy. You just need to. So the first step they did, the first one they did, the first one they did was a test. Can you see? Navigate to Stripe API settings, WooCommerce, setting payment Stripe. Then scroll to webhook URL. Copy the URL you find here and also make sure that your mode is in test mode. But me, I don't, because I know what I'm doing. I don't go through the test mode first, then start doing this thing. All I do, I just go to the live mode instantly and do whatever I want to do. So you can read this documentation. It is very, very easy for you to integrate. But me, I'll make life easy for everyone by showing you what you need to do. So what I need to do next is that I change this. I copy all this because these are all the hook you need to set, you need to put on your, all these things are very, very important. Can you see? This is important. Enable hook. This is my specialized URL. The web URL, the webhook URL is called Stripe. When event occur in your account, like a source become chargeable, webhook or create a secret on Stripe dashboard. So this is the list of supported webhook events for you to activate it. I will show you how you're going to activate it, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to keep this. I'm going to keep this in my notepad so we can make reference to it later when we need it. I'm going to keep it here. So what we need to do next, I'm going to change this. I don't want to do tests. That's a long thing called live. When I change it to live, I'll come here. I'll come here. I'll come here. I'll come here and enable this. So first thing first, let me do this. The webhook feed is required. So, whoa. So let me save changes here. The first thing, you need to enable Stripe gateway here. You need to tick this. Once you tick that, then you are good to go. So then once you do this, enable Stripe gateway, and you'll be able to save it. You go to Stripe API settings. Go to Stripe API settings. Yeah, this is the API settings that we need. So this API settings, you change this to live. You change this to live. So important, the webhook is called by the webhook URL is called by Stripe when event occurred in your account, just like I said, like a source become chargeable or create a webhook. So this is it. This is the dashboard that I'm going to. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to come to this place. All the 14 events that I showed you here that you need, which is what is here. You need to first generate a webhook before this live webhook secret, before you can generate a web secret that you are going to put here and save change. And one of the ways you can do that, so that I won't show you, so that I won't show you what I've done. So let's go to this place. Let's go to Stripe dashboard, because you need to generate, just like what I'm about to generate here. What I'm about to generate here is still this same place. This link Stripe dashboard is going to take me to what I'm trying to generate here is still what this is going to show. This is where it is taking me to. So this is where I will add each event, and this is where I will generate. It is from this your dashboard. You come to this your dashboard. Once you come to your credit card, what you did in your credit card is to enable card, so that people can be able to use card on the website. Once you enable that card, come to Stripe API settings. I don't really do tests because I actually know what I want to do. So I change it to live. Once I change it to live, the webhook URL that you can see here is what is also here, isn't it? That's what is also here. But the most important thing that you need to do is for you to set up all these 14 events on your dashboard for you to be able to collect payment. You can see that this dashboard that I click on here is also the same dashboard that I've opened down here, but I want to show you what's obtainable. So what you need to do is that you select events, you add all those events one by one. So instead of typing them, I already have them. So I'll just copy and paste and search for them one by one. I will just copy and paste. Can you see? Occurs whenever a previously uncaptured charge is captured. So you click on it, then you click on add events. Can you see that it has been added? You add all the events. That's when you'll be able to generate the right this thing. So the next thing is that the next thing I want to do next is to click on add endpoints again. So I need to click on another event. Yes. So what you need to do again is to click on this place. You add another event to it. You add another event. Can you see? You add all the whole events. Each of these events has its own, it has its own, it has its own function. So, and you need to add everything for you to be able to set up what you are setting up. Add it. So can you see occurs when a payment intent has funds to capture. So every one of them has their own function and you need to add it. You just need to add everything, add the whole event. That's when we'll be able to generate a live webhook. So once you do this, then also so I think I need to put the URL here, webhook URL. I need to put my URL here. This is it. Then I click on add endpoint. So can you see? Can you see I've been able to generate? Can you see these are all the events that I've been able to set up? So for this, all I need to do now is to just, this is the key, the live web hook secret that I need to put here. Once I put it there, I'll start, my payment will start working on my website. So even when I put the payment here, the live key here, you will see that it will work. So All I need to do, this is the secret, signing secret. Can you see signing secret? It is there. Signing secret. It is there. So all you need to do is to click on this and click on review. This is it. This is my secret. All I need to do is to copy it. I'll copy it. Then I'll paste it here. Then click on save changes. If I put it here just to test, you see what I will generate. You see that save and continue. And you see your store is all set to accept payment. We provide a lot of customization options to match your need. Don't forget to explore them. Let me just click on explore. I'm not ready to explain one of them. So that's how to set up a payment, a Stripe payment method on your website. Can you see that I've gotten a congratulations? If you go to my website, if I go to the website now and test payment on it and test it, you'll see how it works. But I don't want to show you how I input card on this video, so I won't show you, but I believe you've been able to see the congratulation message here showing me. Can you see what this is the Stripe card, this is the Stripe credit card option I said you should come to. All you need to do here is to enable Stripe gateway. You need to enable it. Leave this one as credit card. Pay with your credit card via Stripe. So this is the name of descriptor, statement descriptor, charge. Enable payment via save card. Enable all this and leave it and just click on save changes. Leave all this. All you need to do here is to enable Stripe gateway. Enable this and come to your Stripe API settings. When you come to your Stripe API settings, it will take you somewhere around here. This is where your Stripe API settings. Can you see? If you don't have an account, it will tell you to create an account and connect your account to Stripe. Connect your content management system to Stripe. If you don't have a Stripe account, it will show you to create a Stripe account and you connect. So after you've done that, this is the guide, which is the guide I showed you here. This is the guide for it to make life easier for you. This is the guide. But for the sake of this video, since I know what I want to do, I don't really need to use the guide. Then you go to the Stripe dashboard. All you need to do in the Stripe dashboard is to enable all these events on the dashboard. Once you enable it, you will generate a live webhook secret. Can you see? The webhook secret is used to authenticate webhook sent from Stripe. It ensures nobody else can send the event pertaining to the Stripe. So that is how it used to be done. All you need to do is to click on save changes, and that's all. All you need to do is to click on save changes, and that's all. So that's how you can set up Stripe payment gateway on your website. I believe you've been able to learn something on my channel today. If you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be creating exciting videos soon. Thanks for watching. See you soon.